But let's start right into the topic. What do you need to do in order to fix this issue? First of all, we are going to reset our network adapters. So how can we use it? First of all, just open your Windows search and type in Control Panel, then open this app here. And then if it does not look like this, then change over to View by Category. And then click on Network and Internet, Network and Sharing Center. And then in the Network and Sharing Center on the left-hand side, we can see 4 different links. We need to click on the second link that is called Change Adapter Settings. And then the network connection window should open where we can see our network adapters. In my case, I'm using Ethernet, but if you're using Wi-Fi, it completely doesn't matter, works the same. Just right-click on the adapter, click on Disable. In order to do that, you need to have administrator rights, just note that. And then when you've disabled it, we can already check on the bottom right corner that our internet access is lost. And then after we've waited a few seconds, we can already enable it again, right-click Enable. And then this process might take a few moments to just re-identify the network again. Perfect. Internet access is back. We can already close the network connections window and then back in the Network and Sharing Center. Click on this link here at Connections. Again, doesn't matter if you're using Ethernet or Wi-Fi. And then click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and click on Properties. And then down here, make sure to use the following DNS server addresses instead of obtain DNS server address automatically. And then for the preferred DNS server, type in 4 times the 8, and for the alternate DNS server, 2 times the 8 and 2 times the 4. You can also quickly just pause this video in order to type those incorrectly. But then when you've done that, just click on OK and click on Close and click on Close and click on Close. And then last thing we are going to do is to flush our DNS resolver cache. So just open your Windows search icon and type in CMD. Right click on your command prompt, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes. And then make sure to just type in ipconfig /flush DNS. Just type this in and then hit enter. Perfect. Successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. That's already it. That's how you can fix hyping in Discord. Video subbed, guys. If you've got any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Really, wish you a wonderful day. See you in the next video. Bye.